Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to show you what I found in internet and what I tried. So I'm gonna show you if does this thing work and if what really in the internet really works or that just a hoax and just a tricks. So
Sorry ass DJ.
So this is my working shoes. That's why it's really extremely dirty. So the first thing I found in the internet to clean your white shoes, which is usually a problem, I found that I have to wash this with baking soda, and in the end I have to leave the powder there. Because the always problem washing and cleaning your white shoes is in the end, when it gets dry, that is some parts is yellow or sometimes it is all yellow. So they said I have to leave the baking soda powder in the end to cover the shoes, so that will be the one who's gonna be covered all over the shoes to avoid that to get yellow. So let's see if this gonna be work. So after 2 days, this is totally dry and the powder is really stuck and really get hard already there, but this seems like not so clean to what I intended to. So they said I just have to take out the powder and that's it. That's already the magic. But since the powder is really get hard there, I think I have to brush it. It really didn't get out, so I think I really have to brush it. So I choose to use again the toothbrush because this is really soft to brush for my shoes, so I think so that to be sure that I won't damage it. But look at that. Wait a minute, I have to zoom it for you guys. This doesn't did anything. Look at that shoes, that is still dirty. Oh my god. This is not just yellow, it's still dirty. So the first method that I found on internet didn't work. So I think I have to really wash it properly and try the next method that I found, which is the next method that I found is wash it properly, and to avoid it to become yellow is cover it with toilet paper with tissue. So let's do the second method that I found on internet to avoid it to become yellow, your white shoes. Cover it with tissue paper. So they said there it must be really covered. So yeah. So they said in the end the one will gonna be yellow is the tissue paper, not your shoes. I don't know, is that yellow thing is airborne or what? So yeah, they said that's not because of the sun or whatsoever, that's because of the wind on the air. So your shoes is collecting dust while you're getting it dry, that's why it become yellow. So if you cover it with tissue paper, who collect the dust is the tissue paper. So that's why instead your shoe is gonna be yellow, it will be the tissue paper. So let's find it out. There's nothing wrong to try, right? So I cover it with tissue paper and we will see after maybe 2 days when it gets dry. This is a little bit difficult. But okay, I'll try it. I cover it, as I've said, I will cover it all over the shoes, and then we're gonna go back after 2 days. So this is the shoes. This is exactly the shoes that I washed the last time, but this doesn't seem yellow. It's gonna be collecting the dust. So let's open it. Maybe it's not that much dust today in the house because I didn't put it outside. I just let it sit here inside the house because the weather is not so good. So this just air dry here inside the house, but hell yeah. That's white, baby. Oh yeah. There's really no yellow. Usually, I washed this already before, but I forgot to take videos. I washed this already before, but here in some part here, especially this crunches and bumps, that's yellow. This, oh my god. So this works really. Cost a lot of cost a lot of tissue. That's just one shoes, girl. So let's open another one. Maybe the tissue didn't collect much and didn't get yellow. Look at that. Because this was air dry here inside the house, so not much dirt inside the house, but hell yeah. This is really white, clean, no yellow. So that works. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. After a month, I have to wash it again, so I did it again. This tissue, but this time I put it outside, so, but yeah, look, some part of the tissue paper is really extremely yellow. That doesn't look extreme yellow because of my flash, but in real time, that's really extremely yellow. So yeah, I unwrap it, and yeah, and I'm seeing some parts really yellow. So I could say what I found in internet really works. So not everything in internet doesn't work. So yeah, you just have to try it. So confirm this works. And this part is really extremely yellow. So before you do some makeover to your beautiful shoes, I still have a lot of videos here in my channel. Go browse it, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!